Grab the stick, buddy.
Hey, it's over there. Over there.
What's up, guys? So I did tell you guys in the previous video that I was gonna burn out for you guys. I don't know if that's possible again because the wheels that I put on, they're from like a newer BMW, but it already had the tires, so they're not brand new. I'll probably just do a couple takeoffs because I don't want to finish the tire and end up not driving my car for like a whole week. So yeah, I'm about to press the switch and show you what it does, just so you guys know it does work. Okay, so these two switches that I installed, the front one is to disable the all-wheel drive, and then the back one is for the windshields, the wipers. Yeah, so once I press this button right here, it should say disabled. It should say my all-wheel drive is disabled. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and click it, and see 4x4 is disabled, and cruise control, braking, and all those lights will come on just like that. You will have a little arrow just like that, and the ABS light, all those lights will be on. So right now you're ready to do like your burnout or whatever you're trying to do. So once I turn it off, all those lights should turn off again. So here we go. I only got 11 miles to go, so hopefully we make it. 10 now. Oh my god. Yeah, we will. Let's get it.